What's up, everybody? So I am back with a new video, and this video is a wig unboxing. Y'all, my sister got me a new wig for my birthday, and I'm just going to unbox it for you all and show you the wig that she got me. It's a specific brand that I really love, and she actually had a wig sale, and my sister was like, I'm gonna buy him a wig for his birthday. So I'm getting ready to show y'all this wig. I absolutely love this company. This will be my fourth, I want to say it's going to be my fourth or my fifth wig from this company. So it came in this packaging. I kind of already ripped it open, so this is what it looks like. All right, y'all, this is the box. This wig is from Sheisthebeauty on Instagram. I'll put her information down below in the description box. And look at this packaging. I love this packaging. Y'all, her wigs, they are the best. Quality hair extensions. She didn't lie. Y'all, her wigs are insane, and I feel like they are worth the price. So don't go to her website and like look at the prices and be like, what the heck? I'm telling y'all, my wigs, most of my wigs that I've had from her, they've lasted for a while now, like 2 years plus, and I still have the same wigs and they still look the same. Right, y'all, let's unbox it. I feel like I gotta hold the camera up, but y'all, okay, I'm gonna just hold it like this because it slides out, y'all. So this is the packaging. Okay. So it's just a receipt on the inside and the wig that I ordered. So that's what all these papers are. All right, y'all. Oh, wait. Oh, look, it came with a card. Look, it has my name on it. I didn't open it, so let me open the card, y'all, before I open the wig. That was nice, but I love her so much. That's my friend on Instagram too, like, she's amazing. So it says thank you. It's a thank you card. I'm gonna read it to y'all. Hi, Christopher. Thank you so much for shopping our thread sale. We enjoy putting this sale together for you. Please keep in mind that the quality of the extensions described under each product were a determined factor of the price/sale. Nevertheless, know that quality is still a determining factor of our brand. We value your feedback, so please feel free to reach out if you have any additional questions, and our team will be more than happy to assist you. XOXO, Sheisthebeauty team. Oh, this is so cute. And then they got like the little details and stuff inside. I love this. All right, y'all. This is the wig that I got. So, y'all, if you didn't know, I'm a huge fan of like lime green or anything green in general. And my sister got me a lime green wig, so. Ooh. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Okay. Look at this wig. Oh my goodness. It's so pretty. Look at it. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. It's 16 inches. It's not long. If you know me, y'all know that I love wearing long hair, like 24 inches and like longer. This wig is so cute though. I love it. It's 16 inches. Middle part, you know I love me a good middle part. And it's a full lace wig, so let me show y'all the inside of the wig. This is the inside of the wig. So if I wanted to give updo, I could give updo. But y'all already know me, I'm not giving updo. Honestly, I think I'm gonna have one of my really good hairstylist friends, I'm gonna have her cut some layers into this and we're gonna do like a layer look. I feel like that's gonna eat. This is the wig, I love it. It also comes with like the little band. So I could wear this wig glueless if I wanted to. Oh, that's so dope. Oh, it comes with 2 of them. Okay. If I want to wear this wig glueless, y'all, I can sew this on the inside. Oh, that's really dope. I can sew it on the inside, and then this like unhooks. So I can wear it glueless if I want to. 9 times out of 10, I'm not gonna wear it glueless, but I'm always gonna glue it down, or I'm gonna do glueless, like the liquid gold or the lace jelly. I love this hair. Y'all wanna see if I can put it over my, what it's gonna give? Let's see. Let's see if I can put it over this wig. I can't put it over this wig, y'all. The lace is giving transparent lace. It's very thin though, and that's why I love her wigs. So I already know, like, once I put it on and everything, it's gonna melt to like perfection. But I'm obsessed with it. Like, look. This is some thin transparent lace, y'all. I've never seen transparent lace this thin. It's gonna eat. The wig itself, I wanna say it's like 150 density, but cause like it's full, but it's not like too full, if that makes sense. Like once I put it through my, like once I put it on, like you're not gonna be able to see like the back of my shirt. Well, you know what I mean. Like you're not gonna see the back of my neck, cause like it's covering it, like it's full. So for it to be a full lace wig and it doesn't have like the band and stuff in the inside and the combs, this wig is gonna eat. Like if I wanted to do an updo, I could do an updo, but you know, I'm not giving that, y'all. I am not giving that. But this is so cute. I am obsessed with this wig. Thank you to my sister for buying me this wig for my birthday. I really do love it. It's one of my favorite colors. Shout out to Sheisthebeauty for having the amazing, most quality wigs out there. Thank you all so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below. Share if you care, and don't forget to subscribe, y'all. I will be posting videos every week. I'm excited to put this one on. Y'all, what should I wear with this? Like, I don't know what I'm gonna wear with it, but it's gonna give. Like, this is gonna be so cute. I can't wait to put this wig on. All right, y'all. Bye.